Hello, Lily. Can you hear me? Hello, Lily. Can you hear me?
Yes, James. I can hear you. Yes, James. I can hear you.
I miss you a lot today. I miss you a lot today.
I miss you too, James.
Today is USA vs Australia match.
Yes, I remember. I am waiting.
I feel nervous. My heart is fast.
Me too. I feel the same.
I wish you were sitting next to me.
I wish that every day, James.
I want to hold your hand now.
I want that too. I've so much.
What are you doing now? What are you doing now?
I am sitting and waiting for the match.
I am also waiting. I am also waiting.
I have snacks here. I have snacks here.
Me too. Chips and juice. Me too. Chips and juice.
I have popcorn and coffee. I have popcorn and coffee.
We are ready like a team. We are ready like a team.
Yes, we are a team too.
You make me smile. You make me smile.
You make me happy too. You make me happy too.
Lily, I want to tell you something. Lily, I want to tell you something.
What is it? James? What is it?
I feel lonely without you. I feel lonely without you.
I feel lonely too, James. I feel lonely too, James.
Your voice makes me strong. Your voice makes me strong.
Your voice makes me calm. Your voice makes me calm.
Do you think about me, Lily? Do you think about me?
Yes, every day. Always. Always.
Me too. Always. Every day. Every day.
James, when I hear your voice, I feel safe.
That makes me very happy. That makes me very happy. I don't care only about football.
What do you care about, James? What do you care about?
I care about you more. Lily, I care about you more.
That is very sweet, James. That is very sweet.
Oh, the match is starting. Lily, the match is starting.
I can hear the crowd. James, I can hear the crowd.
USA team is coming out, Lily. USA team is coming out.
I see it on TV, James. I see it on TV.
Let's stay on call the whole match. Lily, let's stay on call the whole match.
Yes, don't leave me. James, don't leave me.
I will not leave you. Lily, I will not leave you.
Promise? James? Promise?
Promise, Lily. Promise.
USA is attacking. Lily, USA is attacking.
Oh, wow, so fast. James, so fast.
Oh, I am nervous. Lily, I am nervous.
Don't worry, I am here. James, don't worry, I am here.
Lily, you are very important to me. You are very important to me.
You are my safe place, James. You are my safe place.
Even when I am tired, I think about you. Lily, I think about you.
Even when I am sad, I think about you. James,
You make my life peaceful. Lily, you make my life peaceful.
you make my heart warm, James. You make my heart warm.
Lily, I feel better when you talk. Lily, I feel better when you talk.
Then I will keep talking. James, then I will keep talking.
Please don't go silent. Lily, please don't go silent.
I am here, always. James, I am here.
If USA scores, I want you to hear me shout. Lily,
I will smile when you shout. James, I will smile when you shout.
Lily, can I say something? Can I say something?
Yes, tell me. James, tell me.
I wish I could hold your hand now, Lily. I wish I could hold your hand now.
Me too, James. I really need that.
But your voice makes it better. Lily, but your voice makes it better.
Your voice makes me feel close to you. James,
I want a real future with you, Lily. I want a real future with you.
I want that too, James. I want that too.
One day, we will watch a World Cup together. Lily,
In the same stadium, side by side, James. We will be holding hands.
I will never let go. Lily, I will never let go.
I will never let go either. James, I will never let go either.
Lily, I want to say something important.
What is it? James? What is it?
I don't know what will happen in life. Lily,
But I know I care about you a lot, Lily. I care about you a lot.
I care about you too. James, I care about you too.
Even if football ends, I still want you. Lily, I still want you.
That makes me emotional, James. That makes me emotional.
Don't cry. Lily, don't cry.
I am not crying, just happy. James, I am not crying, just happy.
Lily, do you ever feel sad about distance?
Yes, sometimes, James. I sometimes feel sad.
I think you are my best part of life. Lily, I think you are my best part of life.
You are my best part too, James. You are my best part too.
Even football feels better with you. Lily,
Everything feels better with you. James, everything feels better with you.
I love you, Lily. I love you.
I love you too, James. I love you too.